Building an authentication system. Creating the project. In this video, we're going to discuss what is Firebase, discuss what Firebase can be used for, use Google credentials to sign into the Firebase console and create a project, and discuss the starter project. Firebase is a mobile and web application development platform, which was developed by Firebase Inc. in 2011, and it was acquired by Google in 2014. Firebase can be used as a back-end server to store data and support apps. It has all the tools you need to build a successful app. It makes your job easier as a developer. It does the heavy lifting. Firebase offers a variety of services for the mobile and web developer. These services include Cloud Firestore, authentication, hosting, Crashlytics, performance monitoring, Google Analytics, and in-app messaging, just to name a few. Go to console.firebase.google.com and log in with your Google credentials. Create a new project by selecting the Add Project button. Give your project a name, and when you're finished, click the Create Project button. Click on the Authentication tab to set up authentication. On the Authentication page, click Sign In Method. Select the Email and Password tab. Enable the first toggle switch and hit Save. Click on the Database tab and select Create Database under Cloud Firestore. We do not need any rules for this database because we're going to set it up for testing. You can obtain the starter code for this project from the course repo on GitHub. The starting project contains 3 files: auth.js, index.js, and index.html. The JavaScript files are placed in the scripts folder. Index.js contains one function, which is used to set up the materialize components. This function is going to be triggered when the DOM content is loaded. This project is going to utilize the materialize CSS library, which can be obtained from materializecss.com. Select the compiled and minified CSS under CDN and add this to the head tag of index.html. The main purpose of this course is to show you how to use Firebase, and it doesn't intend to focus on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. However, with Materialize CSS, we can create beautiful looking websites with less code. The navbar of this website contains 4 modal triggers and a logout button. Whenever you click on Account, Create, Post, Login, or Sign Up, a modal will be displayed. The Sign Up and Login modals are each made up of a form which requires email and password. There's an Account modal which is going to show details about the user's account. The Create Post modal allows users to create posts that require a title and a description. Finally, there is dummy content to show how the post would look on a web page. Right-click to open a live server to view the web page. Clicking on the Account tab opens the Account modal. Clicking the Create Blog Post tab opens the Create Blog Post modal. Clicking the Login tab opens the Login modal. Clicking the Sign Up tab opens the Sign Up modal.